All right, I'm going to review this, even though the neighbors are super loud. Chocolate. This thing. Solo Stove S'mores Roaster. A tabletop fire bowl gift set. Here I have a little 3D printed boat. Let's see if that can handle it. It could handle it. Let's open this up. This is like an unboxing, reviewing kind of thing. So this is a foam. That's the fuel you need to run this. Okay. You can use this indoors, they say. Okay. What do we have here? You can shake it, but it doesn't do anything. And then this here, there's something about death and explosion in there. Alright, so the unboxing video was kind of weird, but so now I know how this thing works. So this is the Solo Stove that is made for marshmallows. Here, look at that. I'm gonna make s'mores. It comes with this tray here, super nice, with those 4 skewers where you can screw over the flame, that's fine. And it comes with a lid to extinguish the fire if you have to. Right? I think also what people do is put those skewers on there if you have to. But if you get food on here and then get the food on your fuel, that doesn't make sense. So it comes with those cans of gel fuel. This is special fuel that is not poisonous or anything, so you can cook over it. You're supposed to gently shake it before you use it, where I'm not sure exactly what gentle shaking means. And what if you shake it too hard? Will it explode? Okay. So you open it first and then insert. Let's open it. Okay, let's see. You would put this lid back on when you're half done with your fire. Are we opening or not? Oh yeah, we are. Because I shook it, there is fuel here, right? See this? There you see the consistency of this fuel. It's crazy why they ask you to shake it, because you have the stuff sitting here like this. And now this lid here and the screwdriver is flammable. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. That's not how you want to deal with your guests. So I'm gonna insert it here, there, and then I'm igniting it with my flamethrower. Oh, can you see the flame? Is it burning? Yeah, it is. Right? So now this thing is burning, and you can use your skewers to do your marshmallows over here. And when you're done burning it, you're supposed to use this lid, put it on here like this, and this is going to extinguish the flame. And once it's cooled down, you can take this off and put the lid back on. This lid, put that back on, hammer it in there, and then you can store it again right after that. Next time you want to open it, ignite it. Are we hot? There, it burns, and then you're good to go with your marshmallows. S'mores time, my friends.